explosion. I'm getting big without a doubt. That's why them says attention on the road. Shock out. Whenever I see them on the ball out, shout. Good body where the girl them possess. It a man, them man, I make them take straight to. Good body where the girl them possess. In a the latest style and in a no fanciness. Stick like crazy glue. No you a girl can't hold a man. She fi get pray boo. Them no ready, them no hot, but them want follow you. If the father never sent your woman, what them woulda do? Man a sign up and a line up to get close to you. Big bad and brave, I gaga make you. You hypnotizing, tantalizing like a jigsaw puzzle. Hell and for the house when gaga see you. I just good body where the girl them possess. It's a man, them man, no make them take saying to. Good body where the girl them possess. In a the latest style and in a no fanciness. Can't crash, buckle match to the way you look sweet. Cannon salute, and your shape exquisite. Well groomed ear and jack white teeth. I never read it in now with me own eyes, me see your left. Man breathless and shorter speed standard. Where you said respect concrete is like the penthouse logo. The world of the city. Buju Banton telling the world now she's sweet. Good body where the girl them possess. It's a man, them man, I make them take. But the bike good body where the girl them possess. In the latest style, no fanciness. I mean, what does it take for me to get next to you? You want me climb a ladder and paint the sky blue. And if I fall, who will catch me? Baby, let it be you. I love the dimples when you smile, but you're cuter when you screw. Me no matter, me no care, you care and free, but you. One girl picking in, you can't chat to you. I'm sing good body where the girl them possess. In the latest style and in a no fanciness. Stick like crazy glue. Girl who hold him. A girl can't hold a man. She fi get pay boo. Them no ready, them no hot, but them want follow you. If the father never sent your woman, what them woulda do? Man a sign up and a line up just to come at you. Big bad and brave, all gaga melt to you. Hypnotizing, tantalizing like a jigsaw puzzle. One girl picking in, them can't chat to you. Good body where the girl them possess. It's a man, them man, no make them take sense. Good body where the girl them possess. In the latest style, no fanciness. Can't crash, buckle match to the way she looks sweet. Cannon salute and your shape exquisite. Well groomed ear, sharp white teeth and never really in a beginner with me own eyes me see it. One breathless, some of them shout to speech. Standard you set your respect, concrete like it. Penthouse stone for the world of the city. One girl picking in your neat and what me say? Good body where the girl them possess. It's a man, them man, no make them take straight to. Good body where the girl them possess. In the latest style, no fanciness. I mean, what does it take for me to get close to you? You want me climb a ladder and paint the sky blue. And if I fall, who them know that?
Talking about you, might as well I tell you about the thoughts that I've been hiding. A list so long I hardly know where to start. Don't be offended if I tell you you're a hell of a kind of woman, and you do something special to my heart. I see you as a queen and a lady. No ifs, no buts, no maybe. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb. Oh, keep up as the same, queen and lady. Keep the standard steady. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb.
Watch out, this man out on the everyday. The same woman reminiscing, old man she been missing, committing the ultimate sin. When I you make entrance with safekeeping, every single thing. When me think you left the boy, can you still there with him? Seeking around privately meeting. Must you tell yourself that don't be sleeping? Show me love you so much, I mean I want do nothing. I'm going to put you on the manners with sweet discipline.
And now let me tell you what joy it is to have you. And now two people in the world.
My love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Come on, nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Because all the time that we've been together. Love is from the heart. We had done so much for each other. So why just now we wanna go? Hey, don't bother. I can't throw away my frost and blooming flower. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, black girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Not you, but I'm on over. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. You have me thinking about you. Love it when you smile. Just the love in your heart and your style. It made me feel like a newborn child. I'm always there for you. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Hey, nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, black girl. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Damn! Money in my pocket and my girl coming over. Listen to the music, hey, the party ain't over. Just me and you, girl, you're my lover. And this is private, that's what I told you. All first fruit for the king like that. I love to see her dance when I sing like that. She give me love and take care of me and things like that. Whoa, so much blessings like that. Nothing in the world gonna change my love for you, girl. Nothing in the world gonna change my love for you. Nothing but I'm on comfort. Whoa. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Oh baby, no. Nothing in this world. All the time that we've been together, love is from the heart, girl. We have done so much for each other. So why just now we wanna go? Oh no, don't bother. I can't throw away my fresh and the blooming flower. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you, oh, black woman. Nothing in this world gonna change my love for you. Well, I said nothing in this world gonna change.
How beautiful you are, girl. Believe me, I'm so proud to even have you as my lady. Lovers paradise. Oh baby, how beautiful you are, girl. Believe me, I'm so proud to even have you as my lady. Lovers paradise. I make your body overflow with the emotion, as you know. I'm the good thing not to feel. I said my love you wanna feel. Let me put out the lights there, and let me touch you right there, and let me love you until, girl, I let you dance and have a sing. Oh baby, how beautiful you are, girl. Believe me, I'm so proud to even have you as my lady. Lovers paradise. Oh baby, how beautiful you are, girl. Believe me, I'm so proud to even have you as my lady. Lovers paradise. And what I got is love. Nothing to me like you love. You don't know me love you, girl. Well, wanna squeeze and hug you, girl. Yeah, our love will last, fulfill the task. You're safe in my heart, just like that. Put the bad things in the past, listen when my talk, now we advance. None of I die. Oh baby, how beautiful you are, girl. Believe me, I'm so proud to even have you as my lady. Lovers paradise. Oh baby, how beautiful you are, girl.
Judgment fire blaze, you know. To our loving and we upright. Man a bun bangarang and we a bun them confusion and strife. To our loving and we upright. Babylon a tumble down because they make the ghetto youth a live a tough life. Loving and we upright. Man a bun bangarang, so just try to upright. To our loving and we upright. Yeah, go courageous and we upright. Hey, yeah, Rastafari bless the people, so respect them. King Selassie I never rang it up. Rastafari rule the whole earth. Oh, Sizzla Caoleton and the whole works. Yeah, man, show me say judgment fire blaze, you know. To our loving and we upright. Man a bun bangarang and we a bun them confusion and strife. To our loving and we upright. Babylon a tumble down because they make the ghetto youth a live a tough life. Loving and we upright. Man a bun bangarang, so just try to upright. To our loving and we upright. Yeah, go courageous and we upright. Hey,
Yeah, Rastafari bless the people, so respect them. King Selassie, authority, I manifest them. Bobo speak the words, he take unto the flesh them. The works of King Selassie, that interest them. Call on to love the woman, so me not go love them. Use all the riches here and caress them. Every morning and evening, call on to dress them. Whenever time I need it, well, me have to sex them. Can't make this system come stress them. Mount Zion, they so me a take them. Babylon and Egypt, well, me have to wreck them. Judgment a figure reflect them. Where you boy, up there, up there, up there, up there. Rastafari knowledge war on us from the cut there. Where you boy, up there, up there, up there, up there. Fire it up, this is the colony, give me up there. Where you boy, up there, up there, up there, up there. Black and Kentucky and get to you, that's why them stuff there. Where you boy, up there, up there, up there, up there. Tell them say I sickly marijuana, me up off there. Them never body so when Selassie I talk. Wicked man pose and them wicked man walk. Say them everywhere, them lie like up. Say them clever but me know them never smart, yo. One love sister I carry in my heart. Never carry sin, enough of them I carry fault. Enough now I want get a you them fair eyes and chance. Yo, and this the youth them want. Up there. That's the foreign knowledge, yo. I eat up from the cup there. Boy, up there. Fire eat a verses that can let you give me up there. Boy, up there. Back and cocky and get so you don't use them stuff there. Boy, up there. That's the fire and knowledge, yo. I pull up me. Come along with me, yo, right. That's the fire I get so you don't know that.
Well done. Yo, so me say again, slew them up, bare feelings them a carry. Them done bow already and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them up, bare feelings them a carry. You know want do them something again? Well, you want your with name. Who them a coulda what that them a try? Them got this King Selassie, watch you all of them die, yeah. Who them a me go see them with them spell? Them this money well and them so gonna hell, yeah. Who them a coulda, who them want us? Them this Marcus, I know them all bite the dust, yeah. Who them a me go tell them to flirt? Tell them can't this mama hurt. You know see a dead man them. Don't be man them. Not no with them. The fire fi burn them. Them don't condemn. I be a dead man them. Them don't not like me and me don't not like them. Tell them some me not keep no funny man friend. Tell them some me not keep no sada my friend. Now go stoop low me chat the raggy road them. The fire yeah. He tread upon them name. Who them a coulda what that them a try. Them this King Selassie watch you all of them die yeah. Who them a me go see them with them spell. Them this same money well and them so gonna hell yeah. Who them a coulda who them want cause. Them this Marcus I know them all bite the dust yeah. Who them a me go tell them to flirt. Tell them can't this mama earth. So me burn out them dirty heart. Them evil heart and them corrupted thought. Wine too much ass. Snake on the grass. Bow to the boss. Move too fast me tell them bout them ras. Who tell them to provoke the youth them to rat. Now the youth them say them not just no shut after dark. Now take no check now no full talk. Them know who and come straight from them heart. No one hypocrite from the way how them talk. This the emperor and watch the whole of them last. Can't even find food to put in at them jar. Not even bicycle, much less than the cat. Can't even creep, much less to walk. Them can't even smile or laugh. The one your name. Who them a coulda what that them a try. This King Selassie watch you all of them die out. Who them a me go see them with them spell. This a man they well and them soul gonna hell y'all. Who them a coulda who them want cause. Them this Marcus I know them all bite the dust y'all. Who them a coulda what that them a treasure.
Them man dirty life, them man evil life, and them not live right. I'm just so righteousness exalt the nation. Finish the reproach, any man and the people. Your righteousness, my preaching, remember now. So I'm gonna let get slow, and if you know this, righteousness lives in us. Can't dead, don't know it. Yo, set a youth man, jump. Them man dirty life, them man evil life, and them not live right. Yo again, them man dirty life, them man evil life. Go tell them to take a hike. When I say again, them man dirty life, them man evil life, and them not live right. Yo again, them man dirty life, them man evil life. Go tell them to take a hike. That good out them want spite. Hey, me so man the way I live like a dyke. Who that you are there like it's overnight. Hey, me some man dead now that you are bite. Hey, me some man dead now that you are bite. What that them a drink them from out of the pipe. Find out say enough of them not live right. Enough of say them heavy but me see say them light. Enough of them black and I want like them white.
No for them mix them in a fussing and fight. No for them a talk about say them fruits ripe. To them licky now them all get gripe. To them not live. Them on them dirty life. Them on them evil life. And them not live right. Yo again. Them on them dirty life. Them on them evil life. God tell them to take a hike. High. Them on them dirty life. Them on them evil life. And them not live right. Yo again. Them on them dirty life. Them on them evil life. Hey, all them a wolves are stop. Well, them a live too dirty. No for them a live like a dog and puppy. No for them me see say them a walking duppy. After me no freak fi go play Yankee Punky. I me no sing a Babylon sonky. Watch it let me bun down, we really winky. Put another fire upon the one dumpy. And a boy, yeah, right. We like that donkey. So me say again. Them on them dirty life. Them on them evil life. And them not live right. Again. Them on them dirty life. Them on them evil life. Yo, rising up from the dust. Reach out, cause Ethiopia is a must. Yo, rising up from the dust. We got, look how you can't get crushed. Yo, rising up from the dust. Hey, Babylon will make you greedy so much. Yo, rising up from the dust. Black man, enough to get up, stand up. Have you ever heard about the land of silver and gold? They say that the half have been told. 13 months of sunshine and I burn down the snow. I love to see the crystal water when it come flow. I love to smell the fresh eyes of the herb when it grows. Yo, hey, rising up from the dust. Reach out, cause Ethiopia is a must. Yo, rising up from the dust. Reach out, look how you can't crush. Yo, rising up from the dust. Hey, Babylon will make you greedy so much. Yo, rising up from the dust. Hey, black man no forget to stand up. Well, I know again, I see the youth them rise. Over the years and them no stop compromise. Brainwash education, them utilize. Still I see tradition at that them disguise. Empty barrel of them make the most nice. If a mother hurt them a try to deprive. What nature made one, none of them can divide. So me sing, rising up from the dust. Reach out, cause Ethiopia is a must. Yo, rising up from the dust. Reach out. Yeah, see that. No matter what they say and do, knowing that I still love you, and I always see you true. I do. Woman say you're gooder than the better, you're better than the best, you're better than the least, you're better than the less, you're better than the others and you're better than the rest. You want my wife, you want me queen, you want me empress. You're gooder than the better, you're better than the best, you're better than the least, you're better than the less, you're better than the others and you're better than the rest. You want my wife, you want me queen, you want me. The woman them all again, say them want be me queen. Now whiny, I come and bring it in. Woman them all again, say them want be me queen. I everywhere them see me, them a come in. Lagging, say them want be me queen. Now whiny, I come and bring it in. Woman them all again, say them want be me queen. I tell me them what, yo. So whiny, that come and bring it come. And then she see me, she no want if it done. And then she give me, she a come. Lagana daughter and Lagana son. She no want no man where you eat it like plum. She no want no man where you use up them tongue. She want a real man for a mar Mexican. See what it what say the woman them all again. Say them want be me queen. Now whiny, I come and bring it in. Woman them all again. Say them want be me queen. Everywhere them see me, them a come in. Lagging, say them want be me queen. Now whiny, I come and bring it in. Woman them all again. Say them want be me queen. After the lagging, you know what them do? The woman them all again. Say them want be a big man. Lagging, want to perform. Lagging, she kicking up a storm. Lagging, woman them all again. Want be a big man. Lagging, want to perform. Lagging, woman can't come. So blaze up the fire, me say the woman them all again. Say them want be me queen. Whiny.
quick to lie. I know that you want to fly, but I'm not those regular guys. I'm not Mr. Easy. Oh man, good things come on. I know you wonder why you put up a yard, but me have a good woman and me yard. I know no top, and my pants no quick we jump off. Girl, you see class if you know class. Find a woman we are the best, as it can get, we can choose till you end up with old clocks. So turn a new page, heads out a road pan rampage. It no choose color, no choose age. Remember, one life every man got to live. No make the bag of girl shot in your days. I'm not Mr. Easy. Woman, I'm not quick to lie. I know that you want to fly, but I'm not those regular guys. I'm not Mr. Easy. Woman, good things come on. I know you wonder why I put up a yard, but me have a good woman and me yard. I'm a real Rasta man, so me not in a plating. Me and me Empress a trad one a waiting. Anthony B a no untraining. Up full liberty, me nah go straighting. From you married, adultery is a sin. No leave your wife or your yard for your next thing. You better give thanks for the kids if she bring. Family man, this a song that you I'm not Mr. Easy. Oh man, I'm not quick to lie. I know that you want to fly, but I'm not those regular guys. I'm not Mr. Easy. Whoa, yaga yaga. Whoa, whoa yo, yeah. Don't worry, don't you fret. I life over it, I life over it. No what you wicked trap them I said. Don't worry, don't you fret. I life over it, I life over it. No what you them a rush and roulette. Get a youth man a rise, bad mind want him pop down. Gonna hold your man from sunrise to sundown. Mother to carry what's the words on your bad tongue. We burn out the bad mind thing a jam down. Now the ghetto youth make him stress. You always come on with bad vibes. Why this system so connive? Them know that we see you have a hot car a drive. Don't worry, don't you fret. I life over it, I life over it. No what you wicked trap them I said. Don't worry, don't you fret. I life over it, I life over it. No what you them a rush and roulette. Poor man want food, clothes and shelter. I can hear the cry out a road, but still no help ya. Them no like it when you help yourself. The dirty system why you fail yourself. Now the line of success you should know. Suffering man, the suffering man. About them they don't care a damn wrong era. The suffering man, the suffering man. Give them a helping hand, I say. Youth pushing his own car, who should be in school. Instead he's wiping car glass. I know your pocket full of money, but you don't give a dollar when you pass. Come and tell them kiss out your this and kiss out your wish bar. Election time, you come around. You know every politician corner in town. Promise some better lives till you let us down. To the ground, 6 feet underground. Where is the future? You say you prepare for the future. Where is the better life to come? Show why you're gone, won't put me down. Suffering man, the suffering man. About them who don't care all damn round era. The suffering man, the suffering man. Give them a helping hand, I say. The suffering man, the suffering man. About them they don't care all damn round era. The suffering man, the suffering man. Give them a helping hand, I say. Try and feel like it exploit. Can't pay the bills you want and I like. Homeless no bed for sleep at night. And me hungry can't find no food to bite. In the ghetto where we sing so deep, surrounded by rapists, murderers, believe. 10 mile a church, politics street, and we can't get help from police. We need a change. Can't take it no more down here. We need a change. Support me, hands in the air. Supporting man, it's supporting man. About them they don't care what you're wrong, no. Supporting man, it's supporting man. Give them a helping hand, I say. Supporting man, the suffering man. About them you don't care what you're wrong, no. Rain and fall, but not it tough. See, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. No one TV on me feel by cable. Hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. We make it enough man no able. See it? Don't go look a walk a Matalan. Still I believe me couldn't work for a grand. Say it better if me wash couple car. See me pan the street a sell star. End up a plow we down a Sablamar. Police catch lock me behind bar. Get beat up, chop up and scare. True, I'm just trying to reach far. Oh, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. No one TV on me feel by cable. Hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. We make it no time man no able. See it? Man I run a taxi a office stop. Police no red plate no depend that. Me can't find money fi pay government tax. So me run, go build up on the roadside shop. Wow, them send bulldozer lick it down flat. Said no lies to Rasta don't got. And them hear me have the most gonna lock. And a me a sell weed for on a back. Whoa, hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. No have TV on me feel by cable. Hardy, hardy. We put a little food on table. Hardy, hardy. If you make it no cute man no able. From me band, me never watch BET. See, me know about and bad vanity. See a real vanity, now about to vanity. Anthony D no do sanity. Put your hand them in the air for you a freedom fighter. Flash, flash, flash. Now about to vanity, now about to vanity. I stand up represent for humanity. Now about to vanity, now about to vanity. Anthony D no do sanity. Put your hand them in the air for you a freedom fighter. Flash up on no torch, flash up on no lighter. At the buckle, victory get sweeter. Now make them crucify Rasta. Yo, put your hand them in the air for you a freedom fighter. Flash up on no torch, flash up on no lighter. At the buckle, well the victory sweeter. Can you space me no backbiter? Bless up every youth and no fi hold them owner. Bless up every talk when no fi run them sooner. Bless up in a country, bless up in a town. And me bless up every woman where breast no silk corner. Bless up every MC where rock microphone. Bless up the king where sit down pan the throne. Anthony B where put fire for Rome. Well tell them leave me alone. I careful where you talk on the phone. Them bug you no hear kingfisher try catch man with slug. All them back one them can't get out the tug. Now sell out for perch and rug. Yo put your one them in the air for you a freedom fighter. Flash up on no torch, flash up on no lighter. At the back well the victory sweeter. Me now make them crucify Rasta. Put your one them in the air for you a freedom fighter. Flash up on no torch, flash up on no lighter. At the back well the victory sweeter. Can use face for no imposter. Them things a Rasta woulda run through them beat up gum. But the easiest thing for me right now are teeth and gun. Man a chant free speech, cause we speech can't dumb. Real ragga we still a season come. Bossy giddy and now we no laugh. What them a go do fi stop the gun them through the warp. You know see say Mr. Bossy pop down too sure. Hey yo, none can this Rasta fat and big fat and you up. And in the air, no all the freedom fighter. Flash up on your task, flash up on your lighter. After the buckle, victory it's sweeter. Now make them crucify Rasta. Yo, put your hand them in the air for you a freedom fighter. Flash up on your touch, flash up on your lighter. After the buckle, victory it's sweeter. Now you space for no backbiter. Bring up pretty kind of mama when you know you learn. And when you learn you better make you turn. Rebel vibes once more. Watch ya. Hey, tell you that stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now me not careless Ethiopian, just stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now me not careless Ethiopian, car. Now your eyes are open, tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I've spoken, you stop believe, now you know. Me sing again, now your eyes are open, you tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I've spoken, you stop believe, now you know. Them tell we pure lie about heaven in the sky, and you can't go there anyhow, you know. Guy them teach you about a blonde hair guy with blue. I am not tell me nothing about King Selassie. I appear confusion every day. Why them lose respect for Rastafari? But now you know say things start to rectify. Your body ways them you must not tell bye bye. Missing again, stand up as a man, know right from wrong. Now me not careless Ethiopian, stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now me not careless Ethiopian, know that your eyes are open, tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I've spoken, you stop believe, now you know. Me sing again, now your eyes are open, you tell me which way you are gonna go. Now the word I've spoken, you stop believe, now you know. You shoulda know that from you are black, you are African, and that's a well known fact. You study about the past, now you hello cause, and then you demand reparation fast. Although it is a task and some won't last for repatriation, we can't stop act. Missing again, stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now be not careless Ethiopian, stand up as a man, you know right from wrong. Now be not careless Ethiopian, girl. Now your eyes are open, brethren. Which way you are gonna go? Now the word I've spoken, you stop believe, now you know. I sing again, now your eyes are open, brethren. Which way you are gonna go? Now the word I've spoken, you stop believe, now you know. This is the ancient order, I know nothing new. Praise of the Father inside of you. Call great number chosen or few. They want to decide to continue. I want son of bounce, bounce to the right, bounce to the left. Woman, you're defending your asset. Action begin, let the war start. Fight for your man, girl, if you love him to your heart. Action begin, let the war start. Fight for your man, girl, if you love him to your heart. A girl that take your man, and she come from over not. Pass by the line, come on, it's a exalt. It not tickle your brain, it not trouble your heart. It not weaken your giant, and make you can't walk up. Beside yourself, girl, face the dig off. One rush, one back off. One dip ice pick pop up, and the next one look like a go can't. Action begin, let the war start. Fight for your man, girl, if you love him to your heart. If you're happy and you love him, pop your one, girl. His comfort you use and all your man, oh man. With a proper hygiene, your body have to clean. Every man the crown, good man, queen, yeah. You just jump around and push up your hand. Cause the property in a good condition. At the winery, you use and hold your man. If you a love your man, love your man, love your man. If you a walk your man, walk your man, walk your man. And a standing between a woman and a man. So action begin, let the war start. Fight for your man, girl, if you love him to your heart. Action begin, let the war start. Fight for your man, girl, if you love him to your heart. Now you feel it and you know it, so you have to defend it. No make no woman come teeth for your sweet whip. Woman, you love it, so you have to defend it. And if I feel your life, don't lose over it. Woman, them love for them can't stick. And every woman crazy for them on the dip. Woman, Shabba is for you on the dip. So me know you're ready for come fight over it. Listen,
Action begin, let the war start. Fight for your man, girl, if you love him to your heart. Action begin, let the war start. Fight for your man, girl, if you love him to your heart. If you feel it and you love him, clap your one, no man. His comfort to use and all your man, no man. With a proper hygiene, your body have to clean. Every man fi crown a black woman's queen. No, you just turn around and push up your hand.
And not taking no argument, no meeting, no congregate, no conference. Me say a girl get the loving and no recompense. When she don't, she a feel the back fence. You have the man, not take no argument, no meeting, no congregate, no conference. Me say a girl get the loving and no recompense. When she don't, she a feel the back fence. So sing, oh, I take your man, yeah. Good night and down, keep him no way. I roll Chuck Sharon, I kill his Maxine, we all house lay down pan. Once more, oh, I take your man, yeah. Good night and down, keep him no way. I roll Chuck Sharon, kill his Maxine, we all house lay down pan. You have what it takes and you have things to show. Big house, money long, you'll sleep out the door. Satellite, we should take it, watch HBO. You flop, you stop, and we miss me the show. Sudden set back, put them pan go slow. And fuck, and boot, you are feeling a row. No mention your Chris 95 Volvo. My man want your body everywhere that you go. Man, all I said that them see you in a show. Your bank book fat and the interest a grow. You'll fly down like some big wild crow. One life just apart from walk and slow. But the vanity, none of them go stoop low. But your ambitions and the whole world know. You have your man heart, not take no argument. No meeting, no congregate, no conference. Because I get like the loving and no recompense. When she don't, she have the holy back fence. You have the man heart, not take no argument.
I am you am, the sauce and reggae boys bring the joy. Fire we are on politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. To watch it was a fact that is what them enjoy. Well, reggae sauce and reggae boys bring the joy. Fire we are on politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. And not few future them boy they destroy. And left we in a despair, the leader of this country are too unfair. Grab the country of it birth right and with fear sheer. Overlooking troubles as if they don't care. Ignore we cry like them can't hear. Frightened fear them are investing on nuclear. Inflation make us a living get so dear. The earth belongs to me, every acre and square. Future of this country ain't getting nowhere. Show them mislead us that we are getting somewhere. Mount Zion the Lord will be dear. Reggae boys are steer, reggae stars are draw here. Feed the giddy young and walk them boy are prepare. Them judgment last year well. Reggae stars and reggae boys bring with joy. Fire we are burn from politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. And no future them boy they destroy. Well, reggae stars and reggae boys bring with joy. Fire we are like from politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. So watch it was a fact that is what them enjoy. Them a opportunists. Check to and garden and me check and to clueless. Them hear the song and them say is I tune this. Them lock off the dance to walk like we stop the music. Them shoulda know about people who are spoon this. Them don't know we culture cause them only assume it. Internationally enough people consume it. That's why Shabba Ranks is so much unit. Want no much Grammy and that still no prove it. From my experience when I start fusing with American rappers and them music. But Bhopal, them a say me confusing. Stop at Italian, them a prove it. Tap at Germany and the Germans are choosing. Tap them not up and everywhere because them choose it. Only if you lose it. One, reggae stars and reggae boys bring with joy. Fire we a burn from politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. And not you future them why they destroy.
Conference, no mercy on a hospital, no accept patient.
Boy you go dead.
No mercy. Somebody gonna get. Don't give me no argument. This is not no meeting on a conference. No mercy on a hospital, no accept patient.
Boy you go dead. Nobody give me no argument. Kill my come to kill nothing. My gonna take statement. Boy you go dead. Nobody give me no argument. Kill me come to kill nobody with the long conference. Hey, bad man from long time. Always experience. Murder people and walk. We don't jump over fence. Enough of them say that them mother live with all them parents. Now me gon' live in a bush. Me stand me own expense. Like a Vietnam soldier. Me we sleep in a tent. Happy murder and kill. That is my first talent. Me no shoot and miss. Man that me well excellent. And them have it. Fi say me love support violent. To me be what you go lay and take. Fight toes of friends. Walk on the bad boy, you fi kill your 1 cent. Me be murder your clothes and all your pure boy, you fi dead. No bother give me no argument. Kill me come fi kill jungle, it's not take statement. Boy, you go dead. No bother give me no argument. Kill me, you go kill. No bother with the long conference. Hey, no, me gonna sign autograph, me gonna fling stone. Some say them wicked only bad enough in them zone. Where we a bad man, we kill in a any town. Anywhere me pass, well up your dead body phone. Another bird and me kill you through the telephone. Shot in a me gun and then me call up Nyambone. Me dead already, some say me dead a compound. How much me run, we all go live down a brownstone. Disrespect me, you dead on your boy, you fi dead. No bother give me no argument. Tell me come to kill my cop a shot, no take statement. Boy, you fi dead. No bother give me no argument. Tell me come to kill, no bother with the long conference. Hey, true. Happy me gal, the boy go back down to rotted. Get me mad, me draw for me move my whole week. Kill who you are, me no response how you live. You could a small little bit or you could a big. Buy your casket, make sure your grave done dig. Pop off me gun, me dust now whole a ostrich. Boy, you tell me how him run away from Linstead. I tell me how much him gun them, boy, you go dead. No bother give me no argument. Kill me come fi kill Bramwell, no whole statement. Boy, you go dead. No bother give me no argument. Kill me come fi kill, no bother with the long statement. Hey, bad man from long time. Who is it really?
Remember what day when me sing simmer. Every man call E.G. a Rocky fella. But you me know say me a the girls them sugar. Wanna make mistake too? Wanna make mistake man? Yeah what? Go so bada we no walla walla. What them a talk about me, the DJ never follow. Them a friend of me, what's that of me? Want take me side for me, can you technology? Go so bada we no walla walla. What them a talk about me, King Jam me never follow. Them a friend of me, what's that of me? Want take me side for me, no. Hey! Buju Banton and me artist and me rate him as me should. But me wonder what we go on from him go a Hollywood. A the big song he sing a wreck up the neighborhood. If you a walk a man, walk them. Sometimes me have to wonder if them deaf or them dead. When me run back a rush make a check on the jet. Rich dead, this same one say BB red. But that appear at time say to a rich head. What? Go so bada me no walla walla. What them a talk about me King Jam me never follow. Them a friend of me, what's that of me? Want take me side for me, can you technology? Go so bada me no wada. What them a talk about me the DJ never follow. Them a friend of me, what's that of me? Want take me side for me, can you take? Hey, baby show me my me artist and me nah make no joke. But me here, him a sing in a song quote to quote. If a man homophobic, him a provoke from me homophobic. Me cut the wall of them short. Killer and me DJ, me not tell no lie. If somebody did tell him woulda say a lie. But him say it for himself, what a drop from him eye. Oh, him face spot booger man a flex and a cry. Why? Go so bada we no wada. What them a talk about me? Them a friend of me, what's that of me? Want take me side for me, can you technology? Go so bada we no wada. What them a talk about me? The DJ never follow. Them a friend of me, what's that of me? Want take me side for me, can you take? Hey! We not go look no fight, now we not cause no fuss. A the big song we sing, we show the whole of them up. Sometimes we have to wonder.
Put every hand them high, come in a suit at an antenna. Them really want to take your guy. Woman never bow. Put every hand them now. You get a loot and them and them a shoot and them and them got the wickets in our hand. Woman never hot. Cause you're on this spot, your base but I'm rich and black up. Yeah, them a cast, you need them in a hand. You're not for use can talk. Cause you're private but you fuck up a gun. You're not for ball and then they must call you back. So tell me what you want. Please. Tell me what you need. Tell me if I'm good enough for you, good enough for you, yeah. Tell me what you want, please. Tell me what you need. Tell me if I'm good enough for you, good enough for you, baby, yeah. No girl no want a man we stuck. Nah. Them want a man we know they walk. Yeah. She want a man fi hold her up, zip her up in a bed and give her pay bed work. Yeah. No want no man we a jerk. No. She want a man we know the work. Yeah. She want a man fi work her hard. Make she run up in the yard and migrate from the earth. But just see her daddy, me and Pat see her work. Me bust a far blouse and draw down her skirt. The girl she a go like she don't really want her. Now look how the girl bust me silk shirt. But tell me what you want, please. Tell me what you need. Tell me if I'm good enough for you, good enough for you, baby. Tell me what you want, please. Tell me what you need. Tell me if I'm good enough for you, good enough for you, baby.
So me tell them say sima sima. Them a get brand new bima bima. Then me go check all sala sala. And him go tell me about a girl named Angela. So she a walk on about to sing a no fruitella. First walk she get the gal a ball say a pepper. You me know a volcano this boy live in a gal. This a DJ a lava. Tell me what you want, please. Tell me what you need. Tell me if I'm good enough for you, good enough for you, baby. Yeah, yeah. Tell me what you want, please. Tell me what you need. Tell me if I'm good enough for you, baby. Good enough. Talk too soon. And can me tell them say pants for you have room. Like a messy bride and all the pants of the groom. Or you have bedroom and a half bathroom. Have your private costume cause Mosquito a number one. But when me check it out, just get tell name brand wow. Versace, my booger man. But you sell it way by the most bad man them. Mosquito a number one. But when me check it out, just get tell name brand cause Versace, my booger man. But you sell it way by the some man a bust the waist toothpick make for brush teeth and them a use it from face. You know here na the Nola sell down the place. All am be run number one in the race. Some boy them a big disgrace also. In the brand crew them a take it too far. Oh the hell if you see 25 man apart, not even one female in the car. Mosquito a number one. But when me check it out, just get tell name brand now. Versace, my booger man. But you sell it way by the most bad man then. Mosquito a number one. But when me check it deep, just get tell name brand now. Versace, my booger man. But you sell it way by the you know hear me here. Big nose plaster Jackson no steal. All Master Lee, how him get so clear. Man a wake up that big man gone die them here. Enough man a mix up in a rat man a fear. Some a figure find extra gear don't do it. No name for them, just call them white sheet. See they go and bleach and you know white like me teeth. Stop bleach your face cause a pain it can breathe. And get the whole body complete. Mosquito a number one. But when me check it out, just get tell name brand now. Versace, my booger man. But you sell it way by the most bad man. Yeah. Issues. Certain things you have to talk about. Life is one big road and a lot of sign you. Bad mind, envy. All want to see me go behind bars. Yo, tell me when. Cause we stop sending at the niggas to the pen. Just we stop hating at the just for the men. People play hating at the people will you tell. Listen to my blend and them come again. Fake cause they can never be my friend. Backstabbing fool, I think it's time you comprehend. We're making crazy money, so stop watching what we spend. We multiply by 10, still have to fly the gate. I jump for all my enemies, come on, I won't live here. Now I call on near my friend, cause enough of them the straight. We're busy making money, enough of them a play hate. The passing them a beat, well Beenie Man you great. Survival of the fittest and the vibe I generate. I get my recognition from the thoughts I penetrate. And people give me love for all the style when me create. And even to this day, enough of them no rate. The works that I perform and all the good I instigate. So you want to run the place? Well you better wait. Cause enough of owner want to box the food out of me plate. On the all pirate, zaga sound. We tell them now. Batman about. Zaga sound. Zaga money and cars. Zaga wanna see you go behind bars. They wanna see me down, they wanna see me die, no doubt. Beenie Man shining now, they all wanna get me out. Know that they don't like me from the day I came about. Passes a bay on my back, running off them out. We be rolling 20 deep and has got clout. Big up my colleagues who making money down south. Sailing the Caribbean in $1 million boat. In winter we'll be wearing fur coats. Unfortunately, me and the posse them at war. Judging from my jewel you can tell I am a star. No ordinary fool can push a 50G car. Enough of them a suffer and we all know who they are. Lots of them don't like we call them money fits in jar. We making fat bank accounts and living like czar. Stitches are working for me to be behind bar. This time they went a little too far. Zaga sound. Batman about. And zaga sound. So we are telling them money and cars. Zaga sound.
Jamaica people too. Yeah, hear me? Now hear this. All nice and decent celebrity crew, man. I hear them talking, man, but the prodigal son passed you. Prime Minister, I'm talking to you. The Jamaica people too. Yeah, hear me? A lot of Jamaican are gonna learn to live right. Walk out the darkness, Jamaican come in the light, boy. I man say remember, we lovely Prime Minister, leader of opposition for Jamaica. The two of them linked together. So what me telling you say? Me say, come here, come sit down. Come here, come sit down. We say, come here, Mr. Man, make we reason. You know me telling you. Come here, come sit down. Come here, come sit down. We say, come here, Edward Siaga, make we. Yes, a reality you know want. The damn dog gonna go fling it today. Yes, a reality you don't need. The damn dog gonna go tell them me free. Come let me tell you, me say, run the country. Run the country. We are going to show with them how to run a peaceful country. Me tell them, run the country. Run the country. I want you to listen me Prime Minister. Me say, carefully. Me tell them, run the country. Run the country. Me say, listen your opposition how we run it harmony. Because you see the first class people don't know them. You see the second class, we don't respect them. You see the third class them call with nobody but them are the backbone of the blasted country. Because they have to do the work in the factory. If lumber we cut a bush, me say that them have to cut it. So you have to remember them are the investment. You see, I want to listen me now black people and listen carefully. I'm going to talk to the Prime Minister. I want him to listen to me. Me tell you, come here, come sit down. Come here, come sit down. We say, listen every word from the then Gorgon tongue. We say, listen me now. We say, Prime Minister, man, know why you come down in the ghetto every day. You know, man, and just reason with the poorer class, man, and show them nothing but unification. Me say, manly. Me I tell them now, skin teachers, you know why you walk in a Rima and go down at Tivoli and Road Siaga. When you come and follow me, make we go to jungle, Mall Road. Anyway, you see where the PNP them bungle up in a one unity and teaching people them nothing but love and harmony. You see, if the country going down in bankruptcy, you just come and reason with the ghetto people them neatly and just tell them to come and make we invest some money. You see, if I dance, entertainer in I. You see, if I woodwork, the woodwork man in I. Me say, you say if I mechanic, me say no ramp with it, we fix up any car, body work and you sell it. Me tell you no, come here, come sit down. Come here, come sit down. Me say reason we do I make we just know where I go and then you say if you have a problem and you not tell the poor man and them down in the ghetto under sufferation. Me say them no know, them no understand. Me say them just they look for one normal situation. So a lot of people want to come out in the light. If the country facing problem, just tell we tonight. We are the investment. We not in a football argument. Anything for build the country. Just tell the poor get up big. Yeah, hear me? Listen me now, me say no king teacher be. Me ya go tell you, me say Michael Manley. In a Jamaica, if you walk and see, so many things is like you're watching comedy. Some youth man bad, then coulda act movie. You coulda take them and make some money. Yes, I go now, man. Me a turn Christian. Beenie Man no one. Oh no, listen to the that. One more try, man. Dan Gog, I what them a do? Put on two more. Dan Badman, I what do them man? Press it on now. Watch ya, yeah, hear me? Look ya, wanna give me pass. Give me seat, make me sit down. Right about now, me ya go sell out the gun. Give me pass. Give me seat, make me sit down. Right about now, me ya go sell out me gun. Me tell us sell out the gun. Sell out the gun. Tell the people that watch ya, man. If you a terrorist, me nah sell you none because I want the crime and violence be done. You see, if you a police, me nah sell you none because under the sun me nah you know police gun. Me tell us sell out the gun. Sell out the gun. Watch ya. You know say why they make a list man a lick man down and you know say every day me see a order it come down to me have the gun factory and I go sell them you know me say what? Judge Bush send order coming saying want some of the 357 Magnum because them they gun they are the heaviest handgun. Me send two of the 4 come as a sample for you some beanie shot none them never know. Say that they are the assault one and none them never know. In other words, so me make assault Magnum. Me tell them to sell out the gun. Sell out the gun. Me say send on no harder. Me say run sell it. Come me tell them to sell out the gun. Sell out the gun. Me say wanna listen me carefully again. If I don't want one of the 357 Magnum, to me have them numberless, me I go sell them cheap. Now me say $3,000, no get one, and if no want a 2 to 1 small woman gun where we use. And like some boy down in a small crowd and people stand up, you know, and you know, one them here no shot, you just cover it, you know, and just lick him straight time out and he must drop a gun. Me say, I hit me, give me baby, mother, if you walk up and down, so tell him no sell out the gun, sell out the gun again. Tell the whole watch out. Chew me come with the 14 gun every day. Me have to beat fence Babylon and run me down and chew me no one lick none of the peace officer them pan the ground. Me just beat the fence and run left them ya know. You see when me come more with the 28 gun at that time. They want to shoot me down. Me have to bump flick over river until me drop on the ground and jump in at the swamp and escape the sun at that. Make Leng never lick me down. Hell and powder house half with what on the ship when I mean come run me down. Me have to beat over the station gate ya know. Me grab a police and take off him pants and I night me turn and put on him uniform like me a police. Walk out and run, me tell her no sell out the gun. Sell out the gun. So make them never kill me. Me have 28 gun. Me tell her no sell out the gun. Sell out the gun again. Tell her the reason why I can't sell out the gun. You see, just as the 90's it a come down and you know say 14 more of the gun them come. Me say that the time me got 42 gun. Me say right a GP a this so me nearly end up. Now me go a gun court and then let me down. Me say me get bail and a out on the street. Me there and now and me no know. But me going up a way.
You're not ready for baby. Send for your protection. You're not ready for baby. Send for your protection. You're not ready for baby because 2 is better than too many. Yes, now go around and get a lot of baby young. You check it out and find the daddy young. And put responsibility on your mommy young. You want to put it on your daddy young. You have face a be anxiety young. In a they get to wonder brutality. Me want you send for your protection. You're not ready for baby. Send for your protection. You're not ready for baby. Me say me want me you them grow up fast. No one then they pass it away, no car glass and me little youth, no fi push no hand-cat and me say the youth them in the ghetto a suffer. Them have to beg 10 cents fi make $1. They make it up and then they buy 10 cents. All of me want say for your protection, you're not ready for baby. Then for your protection, you're not ready for baby.
I believe, oh hey, I believe the children are future. Teach them well, let them teach the way. Show them all the beauty we possess inside. Give them a sense of pride. Let it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us of it used to be.
You want shoes and you want clothes and you kerchief it just wipe his nose and me out little and look how sweet and every day he need something to eat. Me why you send for your protection, you're not ready for baby. Send for your protection, you're not ready for baby. Me why you drop for the panther, drop for the pearl. Then you wait till you get your girl and hello ladies, gentlemen, full time. You understand? Teenage pregnancy no hurt man. I mean why you send for your protection, you're not ready for baby. Send for your protection, you're not ready for baby because me say the youth up today. Them are the man of tomorrow. Make them live happy no sorrow. Me no want see them push wheelbarrow. Big from to them is a till tomorrow. Me want me youth grow up sweet and nice. One day drive Rolls Royce. Me want me youth live like big timer. Go as to get education, road computer. Me want you send for the protection. You're not ready for baby. Me want you send for your protection. You're not ready for baby because me youth man fit one champion. Him turn out to be a mason man. Might turn out to be a carpenter man. Or he might turn out to be a ram dance man. Because in at the time of old when me mother did young and bold. Only 2 kids me mother could control. Because she treat me sweet and treat me nice. Where you will live like we live in paradise. And when we are youth, say we no fool. When mother send me go to good school. From me 101 me go a basic school. Then from there so me go a primary school. Then primary go a secondary school. Now me hitch up in a high school. Ragamuffin business a when me roll. Nobody can come take me for fool. So send for your protection, you're not ready for baby.
I know